going to be doing one more attempt for the teardrop design, and this is a teardrop that goes into the middle of the soap. I actually have two that I did last night. They're in the oven, cold process oven processing. So I don't even know what they look like, but I have some ideas of how one is definitely going to turn out better than the other. Anyway, so I have enough time this month just to do one more. It's a crazy month, so we're going to give it one more go. I'm going to be doing, this is one that I made a couple months ago. This was the Luna Swirl. I'm using the same fragrance and some of the same colors. This is the Abalone Sea from Wholesale Supplies Plus. It is well behaved and it smells absolutely amazing. I do love this one, but I want to use some of these same colors. So I have the Laurel Green from Nurture Soap. I have, this is a Bluebell Mica from, again, Nurture Soap. And then this color was a blend of Mocha from Nurture and Honeyed Beige from Brambleberry. The Mocha, if you can imagine a cool brown, that's what it is. So if you look in the jar, I don't know if you probably can't see it very well, there's not enough light, but it looks kind of like a bronze, but in soap, it's a definite cool brown. It's not a warm brown, but this, adding that in, warms it up. But what I'm going to do here is backtrack. I'm going to make kind of an ocean scene this time. So my idea is to have some sand at the bottom, and I'm going to do an in the pot swirl of these two colors. And then I have a little bit of spent coffee grounds that I'll put in there for some sandy texture. I have two soap dough embeds that I did. This one is a fish, this one is a seahorse. A seahorse, you can see the tail, it kind of curls. It doesn't really extrude very well, but we'll see how it goes. And then I'm going to do the Mocha, Laurel Green, and Bluebell Mica for the teardrop. I've got my three squeeze bottles here. I'll put a little bit of the mica and then a little bit of sweet almond oil in the bottom of that, swish it around, and then I'll pour the soap in there. And then the exterior part of the ocean part will be Boom Box Blue from Wholesale Supplies Plus as well. This one, I'm really hoping it doesn't speed up. These don't speed up. There are some micas that do speed up your trace, and I have several greens that I know do that. I don't remember on this one, so I'm hoping it doesn't. Anyway, so I'm gonna get everything all situated. I will set aside about a quarter of my batch to put into these three squeeze bottles. I'll do, I think about the remaining batch, I'll think about maybe about a sixth or so of that to be the browns for the sand, and then put another sixth of the blue, and then the remaining 2/3 I will set aside, and those will get poured along the side, and then do the remainder of the colors on top. Let's see if it works okay. The issue with this is my left hand does not work as well as my right hand as far as pouring evenly along the sides. You'll see that here in a second. So it's really hard to get the even pour. Two little things that I discovered yesterday when I did it. On my soap mold, the silicone on top, when you're taking your little bottles or whatever, it kind of skips, it sticks. So I found if I put a little bit of soap batter along that top ridge, it helps it glide a lot better. And then the second thing is you have to pour in a way that you hopefully don't break through the layer of soap, but this has to be a very, very, very thin trace, and I don't have the best grip. I mean, I have a strong grip, but I can't like do a really light one. So I found if I took a baby spoon and I put it down in there and I poured it along the back of it, it helped get that with a squeeze bottle in there, so it hopefully won't break through. So I'm going to start that off this time. Yesterday I didn't, so I'm pretty sure that that first layer is going to be broken through and I cut it open. Anyway, let me get everything cleaned up, get my colors ready, and get ready to go.